Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is your math class for grade 4 from Pakistan International School, Taif. And today we are going to start page number 74. Math book page number 74. Open book page number 74. On page 74, you have addition of mixed number. This is very easy if you understand. Question number 1 is add these mixed numbers, making sure your answer is in its lowest terms. So question number 1 is question 1 part A, 5 whole 3 over 5. 5 whole 3 over 5 plus 2 whole 1 over 10. 2 whole 1 over 10. In this fraction, first of all we add fraction and then whole number. This is whole number. This is whole number and this is fraction. First of all, we will add this one and this one. Like this. I write here 3 over 5 plus 1 over 10. Okay? First of all, we add the fraction 3 over 5 plus 1 over 10. For addition of fraction, we make same denominator. This is 10. We'll make this also 10. Okay? Here you can see that 3 over 5 plus 1 over 10. This is 10. We can make this 10. How you make 10? 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10. 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10. When you multiply denominator with the number, you will also multiply this with the numerator. Same number. Denominator and numerator same number. 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10. And this is plus 1 over 10. Now, these are like fraction, they have same denominator. Now we can add them. 6 plus 1, 7 over 10. Okay? We added fractions. Now we have this one. 5 and 2. We have to add 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Now we have to write our answer. 5 plus 2, 7. And this fraction answer is 7 over 10. So whole number is 7. 7 over 10. And this is your answer. Okay. Next, part B. Two whole 3 over 8. 2 whole 3 over 8 plus 3 whole 1 over 4. 3 whole 1 over 4. Same. You first of all add this fraction and this fraction. You will leave these whole numbers first of all you have to add fraction. This is 3 over 8 plus 1 over 4. Same, we have to make same denominator. We have to make like fraction. This is 8, this is 4. We have to make this 8. 4 multiplied 2 will be 8. 3 over 8 plus 1 over 4. So we can make this 4 2s are 8. So we multiply with 2. And this also with 2. This will be same as it is. 3 over 8 plus 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. Now we can add easily because they have same denominator. This is 8, this is 8. We add 3 plus 2 will be 5 and this will be same as it is. Now we have to add whole number. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is whole number and this is fraction. Now we have to write our answer. 5 over 8. This is the answer. Understand? I did two parts, A and B, and C and D you will do by yourself in your notebook. Next one, question number question to solve the problems in your notebook. Part A, question 2. Part A. Tanya and Rida were making some paper flowers. Tanya used 1 whole 7 over 10 meter of paper. 1 whole 7 over 10 meter. And Rida 1 whole 1 over 10 meter. How much paper did they use altogether? In altogether we add 1 whole 1 over 10 meter. This is also same question as previous. First of all, you have add fraction 7 over 10, 1 over 10, 7 over 10 plus 1 over 10. As these have same denominator, we can add easily. 7 over 10 plus 1 over 10 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8, 10 and 10 as it is. Here you can see that this is 8 and this is 10. We can reduce people of 2. 8 divided by 2 will be 4 and 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Its lowest term. Now we have this whole number and this whole number. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we will write whole number 2 and this fraction. 2 whole 4 over 5. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Next, question number 3. Question 3, add these mixed numbers. These are also same and very easy. Question 1 is 2 whole 2 over 5 plus 3 whole 7 over 10. So same, first of all we will take fraction. This is 2 over 5 plus 7 over 10. These are not like fraction. We'll make like fraction. This we can make 10. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10. It's already 10. Then we will add easily. 2 over 5 plus 7 over 10. So we will multiply this with 2, it will be 10, and this also with 2. Then it will be 2 multiplied 2 will be 4, 5 multiplied 2 will be 10. And this one 7 over 10 will be as it is. So now these are like fraction 10, this also 10. We add the denominator, 4 plus 7 will be 11, and this 10 as it is. This is fraction, and now we have this 2 and this 3. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now we have that answer 5 whole 11 over 10. 5 whole 11 over 10. This is answer. Next, part B is eight whole 2 over 3. 8 whole 2 over 3 plus 2 whole 5 over 6. Same process, add this fraction and this fraction. 2 over 3, sorry. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. This is 6, and we will have to make this one same. 3 multiplied 2 will be 6. So 2 by 3 plus 5 over 6. 3 multiplied by 2, and this also 2. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4, and 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, plus this as it is. Now we can add easily. This is 6, this is also 6. Numerator are same. Like fractions, 4 plus 5 will be 9 over 6. Here you can see that this is 9, this is 6. It can be simplified. Divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 will be 3, and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Now we have to add this whole number and this whole number. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. This is whole number and this is fraction. We have to write our answer 10 3 over 2. This is our answer. Here also in question 3, I did two parts, A and B. CD is your homework. Now, question number 4. Add these carefully. Question 4, part A. Three whole 1 over 2, 3 whole 1 over 2 plus 1 whole 3 over 4 plus fraction, this one, and this one. The process is same. You have to first of all add this fraction 1/2, then 3/4, then 1/8. 1/2 plus 3/4 plus 1/8. But we have to make like fraction. This is 8. We can make this 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. This also 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. So 1/2 plus 3/4 plus 1/8. We have to make denominator 8. This is already 8. 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8 and also multiply here. This is 2. We want to make 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. And also multiply 4 here. Okay. Now 1 4s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 4/8 plus this one 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, or 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. 6/8 plus it's already 8, so we will copy it as it is. Now these are same. This 8, this is 8, and this also 8. We can add easily. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11/8. You can see that we cannot simplify more. So this is fraction. And now whole number. This is whole number. This is whole number, and there is nothing. So we have to add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is whole number. Now we have to write answer 4 whole 11/8. 4 whole 11/8. This is the answer. Next, part B is 4 whole 1/3. 4 whole 1/3 plus 6 whole 1/4 plus 1/2. The process is same. Add this fraction, and this fraction. 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. Now these are different denominator. We will make the same denominator. We will make the like fraction. You see which numbers on which these three numbers goes. 3, 4 and 12. 3, 4 and 2. So we will make all number 12 because 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12 and 2 6 are 12. Okay? 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. We want to make like fraction, and it will be with 12. 3 4s are 12 and 4 here. 4 3s are 12 and 3 here. 2 6 are 12 and 6 here. Okay? 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 6 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. 6/12. Now we add 4 plus 3 will be 7, and 7 plus 6 will be 13. 13/12. This is our fraction. Now we have whole number. This one there is 0. So we add this and this. 4 plus 6 will be 10. This is whole number. 10 whole, and the fraction is this one, 13 over 12. And this is our answer. Okay? Next, part C is C 5 whole 3 over 10. 5 whole 3 over 10 plus 1 whole 1 over 5 plus 1 whole 1 over 2. Same, we have to add fraction. We add 3 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2. Here remember, this is 10, this is 5, this is 2. So 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. We'll make denominator 10. How? See here, 3 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2. We want to make this 10. 5 multiplied 2 will be 10, and also 2 here. We want to make this 10. 2 multiplied 5 will be 10, and this also 5. Now 3 over 10 plus 1 to the 2 over 10 plus 1 5 is 5 over 10. Now we have to add. Okay? 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5 plus 5 will be 10 over 10. Okay? Here you can see that we can divide with 10 and it will be 1. Because 10 divided by 10 will be 1, and 10 divided by 10 will be 1. So these are whole number 5, 1 and 1. Now we add this one 5, 1 and 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 and 7. So this is whole number and this is our fraction. So our answer will be 7 whole 1 over 1. And this is your answer. Okay? Next one, D is D. 6 whole 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3 plus 10 over whole 2 over 3. We add the fraction, this one and this one. 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. This is 9, this is 3, this is 3. We have to make like fraction. 3 multiplied 3 will be 9. We make 9, 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3 and plus 2 over 3. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So this already 9. Multiply this with 3. This also with 3. This with 3 and this also with 3. First we write this one 2 over 9 plus 1 3 is 3 over 9 plus 2 3 is 6 over 9. 6 over 9. Now we have to add 2 plus 3, 5 and 6, 11. 11 over 9. This is fraction, and now you have this whole number 6. There is 0 and this is 10. 6 plus 10 will be 16. This is whole number and this is fraction. 16, 11 over 9. Okay, dear students, I did all parts A, B, C, D, and your homework is question 1, part A, B I did, C and D your homework, and question 3 also I did 2 parts A and B, C and D is your homework. What is your homework? Homework is page number 74, question 1, part C and D is your homework. Question 3, also I did 2 parts A, B and C and D is your homework. C and D is your homework. Okay, dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.